मॅम स्टार्ट करू का मी?
हा करा.
ठीक आहे. गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मी
हा
एक मिनिट.
नाही अजून 11:50 ला आज बंद करणार आणि मग सोडणार. 2 मिनिट.
मॅम स्क्रीन दिसते?
हो दिसते.
हा. So I'm starting for my presentation. I'm working at right now. I'm working at Manma Industries, which is near Masur, and it was my 3 months internship, which was started from 15th April to 15th July. These are the basic instruments which I learned to handle over here. This is the in short title page. Let us move toward it. First of all, the first week I learned to handle the various size pipettes. In college, we used to see this type of pipettes, but when I come over here, I learned that we can also use these pipettes. Here you can see there are marking that its capacity is 50 milli, 50 milli, then 100 milli, or also 10 milli. So my first week was spent in learning different types of pipette and use of bubbles and how to handle pipette using bubble. We all know that we never used bubble in our college, so it is quite difficult to learn using these bubbles. After that, I learned the use of hydrometer. This is a basic instrument, it means a simple tool which is used to measure the gravity of any liquid chemical or also water. Its unit is gram per cm cube. You can see here in this figure, this is the instrument. It has a marking. For example, from 1.500 gram per cm cube to 1.600 gram per cm cube. And in its base here, it is lead or mercury sealed with the uh, mica. No, lac, sealed with the lac. Uh, it has different measurements so that we can use it for different chemicals. Here it is shown that how it dips into the chemical and we get its accurate reading. Uh, Specific gravity helps us to know the proper identity of the chemical, that whether it is the same or something else, or whether it has good quality as we want or not. After that, I learned to use the Carl-Fisher titration. This machine is used. We all of us has learned this in our same third. This is used to uh, calculate the moisture of our sample. It has two types: volumetric titration and colorimetric titration. I have learned here the volumetric titration. Uh, it has reagent which contains iodine, any solvent, then sulfur dioxide. It is first of all we have to take the factor of this machine per day, and after that we have to insert our sample in it in very less amount, like milligram or microgram. And after that, when it is started, it pumps the iodine in in milliliter amount, and when all the water molecules are consumed, it shows us the endpoint, which is further used in calculation to calculate the amount of water percentage present in our sample. Uh, Basically, this machine is very useful in industries. Uh, so after that, एक minute. Now at present I'm working on this Geldar's method. It is a machine which is used to calculate the amount of nitrogen present in our compound. And this one is a titration machine, and this one is the digester. Basically, compounds we have some inorganic compounds which do not dissolve or digest easily. So this digester is used, which provides the lot amount of heat, like 100,000 to 1200 degrees Celsius, to first to digest or decompose that material. And after that, we can use it in for titration or in this machine. Later on, I also learned many production and packaging skills over here. Uh, for example, all the products, agricultural fertilizers which were made, I was there to learn the process of manufacturing and the uh, preventions which we should take during manufacturing and packaging products. After that, cleanliness is also very important factor over here, which should be maintained by every factor of the company. Later, I also learned how to deal with the different types of people and also how to store the raw material and products of the factory in storing room. After that, I learned the use of distillation unit. You can see here, this is a 300-liter distillation unit, which I have learned to handle over here. It is quite interesting, and we can distill many chemicals in this in bulk amount and in short time of period. But it requires very means we should pay very attention over here during the distillation is going on. Uh, Thank you. This was all that I learned over here in this 3 months.
Good Afsana, nice work done and nice presentation. I think
Thank
in
you.
this period of lockdown, you have learned to prepare slides and to present it confidently. Good.
Yes,
That makes the difference when you go outside the home institute. And that is what the purpose behind internship. प्रत्येकाला थोडासा बाहेरच्या इन्स्टिट्यूटचा अनुभव आला की त्याच्यामध्ये थोडा कॉन्फिडन्स येतो आणि तो कॉन्फिडेंटली प्रेझेंट करायला लागतो. म्हणून प्रत्येकाने इंटर्नशिपला जावं असं आमचं सगळ्यांचं म्हणणं आहे. अफसानाच्या तुम्ही बघितलं असेल, तिने छान स्लाइड्स तयार केलेले आहेत, प्रेझेंटही तयार झाली आहे, तिच्या नॉलेजमध्ये खूप चांगली भर पडली असणार. कारण सावंत मॅडमनी सांगितलं म्हणून पिपेट वापरणं आणि स्वतःची जबाबदारी म्हणून पिपेट वापरणं याच्यात फरक आहे, हो की नाही?
हो.
येस. सो दॅट इज
पहिला
द
एक नाही
दॅट
पहिला
इज द
एक आठवडा
पर्पज
पिपेट
बिहाइंड
हँडलिंग
इंटर्नशिप.
मध्येच गेला.
ओके, गुड गुड ट्राय.
Yes.
हा, ओके, छान, नाईस. येऊन भेटा कधी कॉलेजला आला की.
हो मॅम, नक्की.
सर्टिफिकेट वगैरे मॅन्युअली प्रेझेंट करून जा आमच्याकडे. हा,
हो मॅम. हो.
ओके. आणि प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट पण.
हो मॅम.
अजून किती मुलांनी केली इंटर्नशिप? ओके, कंटिन्यू.
एक 2 मिनिटं वाट बघा. 2च मिनिटं. ओके अफसाना, व्हेरी गुड प्रेझेंटेशन. मॅडम मी तुमचं प्रेझेंटेशन बघितलंय. आवाज येतोय माझा?
हो मॅम.
ओके. खूप छान तुम्ही प्रेझेंटेशन केले. आता तुम्हाला फक्त काय करावं लागणार आहे, ते प्रेझेंटेशन आहे ते सॉफ्ट कॉपी मध्ये जमा करा आणि माझ्याकडे जमा करा. मी पुढे बघू काय असेल ते पुढे सांगते. अजून तुमचं काय आहे? एकच मिनिट मी चेक करते.
रिपोर्ट आहे रिपोर्ट.
येस येस येस, रिपोर्ट आणि प्रेझेंटेशन. ओके.
ठीक आहे मॅडम.
ठीक आहे. अजून काय तुम्हाला अनुभव सांगायचे सांगू शकता.
अनुभव म्हणजे मॅडम इथे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज खूप असतात. आपण कॉलेजमध्ये असंच म्हणजे खेळत खेळत करून जातो प्रॅक्टिकल. तसं इथे
ओके.
नाही, चुकलं तरी असं सिनियर्सचं खूप लक्ष असतं. जिथल्या
बरोबर.
तिथेच झालं पाहिजे सगळं.